Hey guys, what's up? Today we are coming at you with your essential oil review. I'm an essential oil specialist here at National Nutrition, and we got your essential oil reviews covered with Aromataphic Labs. Today we are talking everything lemon oil. Did you know that lemon is actually a hybrid fruit? It's a mix of a bitter orange and a citron. I had no idea. I always just thought of a lemon as, well, a lemon. It is native to northeastern India, Burma, and China. However, lemon and lemon trees really remind me of the beautiful Italian landscape in summertime. Lemon is really a great oil. Aromataphic Labs ensures that their lemons are sourced from Argentina, and it also ensures that they are cold pressed. So that means that peel is pressed down, no heat is involved, the oil and the juices come out, then they are separated, and nothing but 100% oil goodness is bottled every single time. Now, that extraction method is super important when looking for an essential oil because so many different methods can really leave residues and solvents and nastiness all stuck in your oil, and nobody wants that. Nobody turns to aromatherapy to have junk in their oil. So you want to make sure it's 100% pure, 100% potent, so always look to see how it's being extracted. Lemon is really great. Most of us are super familiar with it for our household cleaners. However, unfortunately, most of those cleaners that we buy in store just have a lemon scent added, not actual lemon. And they're full of chemicals. Nobody wants to be cleaning their home but leaving all these nasty chemicals behind. So it's a really great natural cleaner. It also has super uplifting powers. It's like a superhero. And it also is really, really energizing, mood boosting, and it's stimulating. Super, super stimulating, not only for your mood, but for your whole body too. Its main active ingredient is a pinene. That's what makes it have all of those great mood enhancing benefits. Also, its antibacterial goodness that we all know and love. So it's really great because, again, a lot of household cleaners can be filled with chemicals and artificial scents. Whereas when you clean with lemon oil or you put it on your body, you're just left with nothing but happy times. It literally smells so good. It's citrusy, it's a little sweet, it's bright, it's fresh. It just really makes you feel like you're outside or want to get outside. I absolutely love it. It should really be a picture of a lemon tree next to the word happiness in the dictionary because they just really go together. I can't tell you guys enough. So definitely try it out. It blends really well with other citrus oils. I love to blend it with grapefruit and orange oil, all of which are top notes. So they're going to really keep everything really light and really bright and lifted. You're going to smell little bits of each of them because a top note is what hits your nose first in a fragrance profile, and they're just keeping things really light, fresh, and bright. So that's what a top note is. Then if you mix this with something like rosemary or eucalyptus, they're going to be more of that heavier middle to base notes. So rosemary is a lot more herbaceous and full-bodied in scent, so that's what's going to linger. So you mix lemon oil with rosemary, pop it in your diffuser, and you're going to be purifying the air in no time. So whether it's during cold and flu season, allergy season, it's going to help you breathe right. So you're going to smell that fresh lemony goodness first, and then it's going to kind of go down into that more heavy, full-bodied, herbaceous base note rosemary. If you mix it with eucalyptus, definitely put it on the chest during cold and flu. The breathe easy and antibacterial properties are going to help clear the congestion and have you breathing right in no time. So there you have it, all the info on lemon oil. We hope that you guys loved it. Aromataphic Labs does have many sizes of lemon because it is so popular. Today we are showcasing its cute 10 ml size, but it comes in a variety of sizes here. And so really it has a size for everyone. We hope that you guys love this essential oil review and that you are going to bring all of its lemony freshness into your home. We hope that you guys keep watching, and don't forget to check out the links below if you would like to read more about our essential oils at Nationalnutrition.ca. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.